A, B, D, E, F, G, B. He, E, G, K, Li, Mi, Ni, O, Pi, Ri, Si, Shi, Ti, U, We. One more time. A, B, D, E, F, G, B. E, G, K, Li, Mi, Ni, O, Pi, Ri, Si, Shi, Ti, U, We, Ji. You see that? You keep saying it to yourself like that until it becomes part of you. Now then it sounds like a song, and then there's a song about that too. I will tell you. But when you know it now, then you start to say it really fast. A, B, D, A, F, G, B, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. And then you take your jump rope, A, B, D, like that, right? You start, and then you'll be saying it. Before you know it, you already have it stored in the memory bank. You will never ever forget, right? That's how it's supposed to be as Yoruba, right? So that's homework assignment for you. Make sure you practice until it's learned. I think you okay? Let's just know it now, and let's go one more time. A, B, D, A, F, G, B. That G that you see, confusing, right? So how do you remember it? Remember Canada geese. Remember Canada geese. Geese, right?
Yeah.
Remember that. So instead of saying G's, you say geese, right? Canada geese. So that way you'll be able to remember that G. Alright. A, B, D, A, F, G, B. E, G, K, L, Mi, Ni, O, Pi, Ri, Si, Shi, Ti, U, We, Ji. Can you say it now? Or you want one more time to go? One more time? Okay, calm down when you want to say it, right? E, he, like he is. He, E, G, K, L, don't say K. K, L, Mi, Ni, O, Pi. Okay, that one you are sucking air in. Okay. And then you snap your lips like that. And then you call it. You see? So Yoruba P is different from P. If you say P, you know, it's like saying I don't want to learn it, I just want to. Don't brush it off. Just say it exactly as you're supposed to. Because when you start to call the words, that P will be so important. Eh?
Can you use a sentence where you use
Pipe. Pupa. Like your lighter skin. Pupa.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, pupa. Pupa.
Pupa.
Pupa. Very good.